Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Notion AI chat history, which is different from your Notion agent. And Notion AI appears in the free version of Notion, but I don't think it actually does anything based on using my dummy account. But if you have any of the paid versions, then Notion AI will actually do stuff. You can access it here in the upper left. You can access it here in the middle bottom of a new page and in the bottom right. And all you need to do is click on this. And they have been pretty frequent with the updates, so I can't tell you what it's going to look like by the time you watch this video. But they have added this new feature where when you open it, you can track your previous chats, and you can also delete or rename these chats that you've had. And when Notion AI first came out, it would just disappear, and it was very difficult to use. So it's good to see that they're making it better and more convenient to use, because Notion AI right now in April of 2026, um, they have a promo going where Notion agents are free use, and they'll be charging you credits for that. But Notion AI itself does not use credits. It's also more for stuff that you do within a page, like, summarize this page, um, create a database in this page, or like what functions or how would I do something. You can ask that here, and it's okay. Um, and then Notion AI, or sorry, Notion agents, you would actually ask it to, give you like a summary of all your meetings, or in the morning, give you a blank template or fill out like what your agenda might be, and it can automate anything as it comes in. So it's a bigger structure, but it's like any other AI tool where it will cost you credits. But again, it's free for April if you have the paid version, and you can just mess around with it. Unfortunately, I don't think it's super sophisticated yet, and I think there's a lot of inefficiencies. So that's the cost benefit you have to make. Like, is it worth playing around with the free tool, or free add-on when it's not working as well, versus waiting and then paying it, but then using it very specifically, surgically for that what you need. um so there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you.